Hey there, you are watching Mirae Asset Sharekhan Weekly Commodity Forecast with me, Rakesh Khanna, breaking down what's driving commodity this week and what it means for price ahead. Stay tuned till the end for crucial support and resistance figures for gold and aluminium. Let's start with macroeconomic headlines. For the week ahead, market attention will still focus on geopolitical developments in the Middle East. The key US data will be the ISM manufacturing survey that is on April 1st and most importantly the US March employment report on Friday that is April 3. Key data from Europe will be the preliminary March CPI for Eurozone March 31st. It will be a holiday shortened week for most developed markets except Japan and US to celebrate Good Friday that is on April 3rd, while Canada, UK and many parts of Europe will enjoy an extended long weekend for Easter Sunday that is on April 5th. The Iran war has entered its fifth week with no sign of a resolution, while US officials say Donald Trump is considering a military operation to extract roughly 1,000 points of enriched uranium from Iran. The Russia-Ukraine conflict has intensified with Ukraine targeting Russian oil refineries, disrupting approximately 2 million barrels per day of oil exports, around 40% of Russia's total exports. A key strike hit a refinery with the processing capacity of about 420,000 barrels per day that supplies jet fuel to the Russian military and naval forces. The three major US indices fell around 0.9%, 2.1% and 3.2% respectively. The S&P 500 fell for the fifth consecutive week last week and is down 9% from the peak on 28 January. The Nasdaq Composite Index has already fallen 12.8% from its peak in October 2025. Commodity focus. Gold. Technically, gold is undergoing a strong correction within an uptrend. Prices have retraced towards the Rs 1,40,000 and Rs 1,37,000 zone, which is important support area based on Fibonacci levels. The 20-week exponential moving average near Rs 1,43,000 is acting as an immediate support. The 50-week moving average around Rs 1,24,000 continues to trend higher, supporting long-term bullish structure. On the upside, the resistance is placed at Rs 1,50,000 and Rs 1,54,000. A sustained movement above this zone can push price higher towards Rs 1,57,000 and Rs 1,60,000. On the downside, support is seen at Rs 1,43,000 and Rs 1,40,000. In the near term, gold is expected to trade in a consolidation phase with positive bias if it holds above key support levels. Overall, gold remains strong for the long run and the current correction is a part of normal pullback within an uptrend. Commodity focus. Aluminium. Aluminium futures showed a strong bullish momentum during the week, surging past consolidation zones to trade near the psychological Rs 350 mark. After a high period of volatility and base formation near Rs 322 levels, prices have shown a sharp recovery, indicating that the broader uptrend has resumed with strength. Technically, the market has breached the key resistance at Rs 345, which aligns with 78.6% Fibonacci retracement level. The price is 2.50% currently, trading above 20-day exponential moving average Rs 334.55 and 50-day exponential moving average Rs 323.65, confirming a shift from neutral to strong bullish bias. On the upside, immediate resistance is placed at Rs 352.35. A sustained close above this level could trigger a fresh breakout towards Rs 365 and Rs 370. On the downside, the immediate support has shifted higher to Rs 340 and Rs 345, that is 61.8% and 78.6% level. The Rs 333 and Rs 335 range remains a crucial support floor for the medium term. In the near term, aluminium is expected to trade in bullish bias. The MACD indicator has turned positive, confirming that bulls are gaining momentum. Weekly price action. Gold rose marginally by 0.04% week on week. Silver rose by 2.66% week on week. The gold-silver ratio fell by 2.55%. Aluminium rose by 5.47%. Copper rose by 2.23% and London Metal Exchange rose by 2.51%. Weekly event calendar. This week, market will track S&P Global Eurozone, manufacturing PMI, ADP weekly employment change, initial jobless claim, rating dog China PMI services. These data points will shape interest rate expectations, which directly impact both bullion and base metals. That's your weekly commodity forecast from Mirae Asset Sharekhan. To help you keep track of more promising market developments, all our research offerings are now available in one portal, the Mirae Asset Sharekhan Research Center. Explore research calls and detailed research reports across equity, mutual fund, F&O, commodities, ETF, and more. Visit researchsharekhan.com to kickstart your wealth creation journey backed by our research experts. Thank you for watching.
Investment in securities market is subject to market risk. Read all related documents carefully before investing.